how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. So let's jump on it. First, open your Instagram app, and then on the bottom right corner tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the edit profile. Now on the bottom tap on the switch to professional account. Tap to continue, 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 continue. Now select your category, which one you want to add, then done. So are you a creator? So based on the category you select, you may be a creator. You can change this anytime. So if you are a creator, then you can select creator, and if you are a businessman, then you can select businessman. So you can choose any of them. So let's select business and then click on next. Display contact info. If you want to display your contact info, then tap enable this and then click on next. To complete your profile, you need to add more details. So this is how you can switch to professional account on Instagram. So hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.